दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना। बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर, हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना। हमारा कर्म हो सेवा, हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, सदा ईमान हो सेवा, वो सेवक चर बना देना। वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना, वतन पर जान फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना।
Good evening. I welcome all the commissioners of Bharat Scout and Guides, Headquarter and Divisional Scout and Guide officials, well-wishers and my adorable cubs, bulbuls, Scout Guides, Rovers and Rangers. Today is a very glorious day for all of us because Sealdah District Association is going to launch an official YouTube channel related to scouting over the division. On this channel now we can watch how Sealdah District Association moves their scouting movement. We can watch any kind of their activities, camps, competitions of them by our smartphone with just opening our YouTube channel. I think this is a very much innovative as well as effective idea in this pandemic situation, because in this pandemic kind of situation doing offline activities is next to impossible, and with this idea many people will come to know about what is scouting. So I am very much happy with this kind of an ingenious idea and just want to say to go ahead guys with all of your clever ideas. So I am no more to speak today. This is your happy day. Just enjoy this day and that's all. Again I welcome all the commissioners of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Headquarter and Divisional Scout and Guide officials and all the Scout Guide members. Thank you very much.
Good evening, all commissioners of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Scout and Guide officials of Headquarter and Division, well-wishers and my adorable cubs, bulbuls, rovers, rangers, Scouts and Guides. It gives me immense pleasure that Sealdah District Association is launching a YouTube channel. It will spread awareness about scouting activity amongst public. Through this channel, more and more children and their guardians will be inspired by the ideas and different activities performed by the Scouts and Guide members and will join this organization. By this way, the motive of Scout can be spread amongst large number of children and their guardians. At last, I congratulate Sialdah District Association under Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guide for such an innovative idea of launching YouTube channel and wish all the best for future and grand success of this event. Thank you.
मंगलमंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। सृष्टिस्थिति विनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमोस्तुते। शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
Good evening everyone. Respected District Chief Commissioner and Additional Divisional Railway Manager Infra, District Commissioner Scout and Senior DME and Commissioner Scout Guide Official, boys and girls. I have not so many huge things to speak on, but I am so much thankful to all of the official Scout Guide personnel to join with us and give us their valuable time, and also I am so much thankful from the bottom of my heart to our District Chief Commissioner and Additional Divisional Railway Manager Infra, District Commissioner Scout and Senior DME and Commissioner to join us, give us some time. Now I want to give thanks to all members like Cubs, Bulbuls, Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers, Unit Leaders. Those are the backbone of the organization. Thankful to all of you for supporting us all the time and also doing the activities during the lockdown period from the beginning, which we need in this kind of pandemic situation, like mask making and distribution, soap distribution, food packet distribution, as well as many competition like poster making, essay writing, drawing competition, etc. I am also thankful to all viewers for joining us. All your support is very much needed to us for our progress. Now I want to give thanks from the core of my heart to our district media and IT team for organizing such a beautiful program. And lastly, I am very much thankful to the Almighty God, because without the propensity, this program has not been held. Now I want to pray only one thing to the God, that we will recover this kind of a pandemic situation as fast as possible. We want to start many offline activities like workshop, seminar, camps, rallies, etc. So with this, I am ending my speech here. Thank you very much to all of you for their presence. Thank you.